is a video that I do not want to make. Life is happening fast, and let me just get right to it. The Subaru is being put up for sale. Yes, that is right. Something that I didn't think I would ever do, not this fast, but...
Now, before we go any further, I just want to say a big thanks to the sponsor of this video, Simply Carbon Fiber. If you guys love carbon fiber just as much as I do, you guys have seen all the modifications on all my cars. I absolutely love carbon fiber. Also, I'm always trying to simplify my life, trying to live more minimalistic instead of trying to keep this George Costanza wallet, you know, with all my receipts in it.
And a wallet for your money.
Don't need that no more. Now I have a nice slim wallet. Fits about 4 to 6 credit cards. You got a money clip on the back so you can put your cash back there. Just like that, 4 credit cards right there. And if you ever need to access it, you got a nice little access hole right here. Your cards simply pop out and just simply pick the card that you need. Bada bing, bada boom. Now let's talk about this iPhone case. Classic carbon fiber design for my iPhone 13 Pro Max. They have cases for pretty much all the popular platforms out there. Now, let's talk about discounts. You guys like discounts. They are offering a 10% discount to you. Just use my code WRX10. Link is down in the description below if you want to save 10%. Are you a carbon fiber enthusiast like I am? Well, if you are, click link in the description below, and let's get back to the video.
As much as I don't want to, as much as I love this car, things have to happen, and it has to happen fast. So I wish I, had the capital, I'm not rich, guys, in order to keep this car, but I just don't. So I'm trying to do this in one take. So if I feel a little down in the dumps, I'm sorry, but this is just something that I don't want to do. This is a car that I truly, truly love. Probably one of my most favorite cars I've ever owned so far. Met a lot of great people, had a lot of great people help me with this car. People that I'll probably keep in contact with for a very long time. And this car has brought me a lot of joy, but in order for me to I really can't say much at this time, but in order for me to do what I need to do in life, I have to sell the Subaru. Now it sucks because I know it's going to kill viewership on the channel. I understand it. And if you guys want to stick around, I really do appreciate it. If you guys want to leave, I totally understand that too. But who knows, we might get another car later on, in a month, 2, 3 months. And we might get another Subaru, build it even better. Oh, that was bumpy. Or we might even try something new. So, but I didn't take anything out. I don't have the stock parts to part everything out and put everything back to stock. I only took out a few things. I have my wheels up for sale. I put the stock head unit back in. But other than that, the car is going to be sold the way it is. it doesn't feel right for me to just part everything out. Maybe the next owner can enjoy the car the same way I enjoyed it, in its form. But whoever buys this next is going to get a hell of a deal on a fully built STI. Nothing wrong with it. Perfect. Makes good power. Has the potential to make a whole lot more. But yeah, I know what you're saying. Why don't you sell the Supra? Well, the Supra, I've had it for less than a year, and I'm still paying on that, so I'm not going to get that much money for it. Even though, yes, I do have positive equity in the Supra, but maybe we'll move on to bigger and better things, guys. I don't know. But yeah, sorry guys. I don't want to talk about the subject, and for you guys that are supportive of my decision, I really do appreciate it. Comment down below. It's really hard to sell a car that you really, really love. It's one of the hardest things. A lot of sleepless nights, or a couple of sleepless nights so far. So yeah, I don't know. Sorry if I'm not sounding like my normal self, but it is what it is, But it's just a car, right? Cars can be replaced. We can build something else, or we could build another Subaru that's even better than this. Because there's a lot of things that I wish I had known before that, if I were to build another Subaru today, I would change. But yeah, it is what it is. Fuck, man, I love this car, dude. And then once I get something new, then I'll post a video right away. If I have to sell the Supra too, then the Supra is gonna have to be sold too. Anyways,
All right, guys, so Subaru is officially sold. You know, it's a heartbreaking day for me, but if you guys are interested in buying the Subaru, as you can see, I took some parts off the hood. That went to Jeff. I took the wheels off. I will be selling the wheels, but I'll try to put a link down in the description below if you guys are interested in buying this car. If you guys do buy it, you guys are gonna get a hell of a deal, that is for sure.